Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the product launching of Bayer's Vallejo Duo!
That you play. Come on, you want it. Come on, and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else. Come on, you want it. Come on, and get it.
On behalf of Biocrop Science in the Philippines, I'm very excited to share with you our latest technology and innovation in the form of our product Vallejo Duo. Bayer is of course always striving to bring you the best quality products so that we can boost the yield and the profits that you would make by using Vallejo Duo.
She baby, I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my dear. Do you want to party? Who it up, she baby. I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my dear.
This is the right time to launch our newest product sa Mango. Nga ang unang product launching will happen in this area because we all know nga mga Mango contractor very supportive sa buyer.
Ito pong Vallejo Duo ay smart combination po ng Tetraniliprol at Spirotetramat. Abangan nyo po kami sa inyong mga area sa mga susunod pa na events natin for Vallejo Duo.
So yung key is, Vallejo Duo will prevent the population ng insekto para dumami.
Yun pong pinaka-destructive na stage ng sisid ay agaran pong nawawala yung kakayanan niyang kumain sa ating bunga.
Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else. Come on, you. Come on, and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else. Come on, you. Come on, and get it. Come on, I want it. 오늘 밤 미쳐가, you and what, no one else.
Sa event po na ito, i-share po namin sa inyo ang features ng Vallejo Duo at ang benefits na makukuha natin sa paggamit ng Vallejo.
Ang Vallejo Duo ay magaling siya, very effective siya sa nymphs.
Actually, si Vallejo Manggod is a systemic. So, mulong tagit ang iyang efficacy for siguro mga 7 to 10 days. Pero kung maunhan nato siya, like for example sa Vallejo Duo nato, which is systemic siya, maunhan nato, inikitlog niya, di na sa kaitlog, namatay na ang larva sa sulod, and habang nagadako ang mangga, nagaayo tong iyang samad kay wala na larva, wala na nagadako.
Kaya po sa ating mga manggero, sana po suportahan nyo ang aming bagong produkto at abangan ninyo ang aming mga activities sa buong bansa. Maraming salamat po.
Our aim, tied to the vision that we have for Bayer, health for all, hunger for none. So we are really striving to help the world become a better place with providing also healthcare, but also on food production with all our crop protection solutions.
Itaya ko ang Vallejo Duo para sa solusyon ninyo na problemang sisiply or buti.
Ito na ang tamang insecticide para puksain ang sesame fly. At dahil dyan, tinataya ko po ang Vallejo Duo ko.